Alright, so now we go over a magic prompt. So quickly jump. So that means we had an introduction, basic prompt, and we got to magic prompt. If you've not seen the last two videos, please do watch because that gives more reference of where we are going now. So what's a magic prompt? What's a prompt? Prompt is basically a question that we ask a large language model to give an answer. It's basic, so answers get to basic. Now let's go to a magic prompt. What's a magic prompt? It's very simple. It's a framework. It's a framework of 6 components that we use across to write a prompt. So again, on the course is very simply defined. The first is role. That means to any large language model we explain what is its role. So here we say your role is an HR manager, and then we're going to give them instructions. Instruction could be a list of things. Then we give them the context. That means we tell them what we're doing. So here we say it's an employee engagement activity suitable for remote teams. So this is HR who has a remote team and is looking to have some employee engagement activities which is suitable for remote teams, right? And then what's the input? Input is basically the information that you're looking for. So you say that. So you're saying you want activities which can be done under 30 minutes and don't need tools because it's remote teams, right? They may not have tools or access to tools. And what's the output? Output basically you're saying you want this result or the information in the bullet point format. That's the output. Now you have 6, which is optional, where you can give extra flair. So here we could say with a touch of humor. So basically you're trying to say, okay, create these games for us for the remote teams without the tools, give it in a bullet point and make it humorous. All right, so let's put all together. So if you put together, this is the prompt that comes up. So you say, as an HR manager, list employee engagement activities suitable for a remote team that can be done in under 30 minutes and requires no special tools in bullet points with a touch of humor. So let's try this prompt. So if I would have done a basic prompt. All right, so let's copy the prompt in ChatGPT and simultaneously we will copy it to Bard. Right now, I'm using 2 large language models, again saying that I don't have specific, and by the time you're watching this video, there could be a third one which is much better. All right, so let's go to ChatGPT. It has given me 10 different examples of games that I can use to engage my teams. Now I can refine it further if I want. I can take a couple of them and say more things to that, and same with Bard. Now, if I would have used a very basic prompt, which is initially like list employee engagement activities for my remote teams, my answer would be entirely different. But now, because we have added all the 6 components, it gets better. If I take out humor, it changes. So every small component change will change our results. So that's how a magic prompt is created. Now, having said that, doesn't mean that you just follow this 6 steps here and do nothing, it'll happen. So you could keep trying, use one of the large language models, play with different examples, create a template, and see how your answers keep getting better. Right? So I think this is only a 3rd lesson, and we've basically gone to magic prompts. Hopefully this is helpful. Get there and try it out.